y'all, today I'm going to be showing you this book bag from Basic Power. It comes in a variety of colors. I got black because it hides if it gets dirty, but this is great for teenagers, young adults in college, or all age groups. It has really thick, sturdy straps with padding so that it doesn't hurt your shoulders, which is really nice because I remember when I was younger and I was in college and I was carrying all my books for school, I actually had a book bag that the strap snaps, so it's nice that it's so thick. Additionally, this book bag has so many compartments, so you can definitely store whatever it is you need to store. So there's one right here, for example, in the front. There's one right here. You can use this for like your pencil pouch or what have you. There's another one up here for items that you use all the time, really easy to grab. And then there's another one right here. So maybe this one could be for your laptop or your smaller notebooks. And then there is the largest one in the back right here. And this one has compartments within it. So there's this section right here, and then there's another compartment, and this has padding, so I actually think this is where your laptop is supposed to go. It's 17 inches tall, so I believe it can fit up to about a 15-inch laptop. If you have like a MacBook Air, for example, you'll have no problem putting that in here. And then it has little sections for like your calculator, your pencils, what have you. So much storage in this book bag, so it's a great book bag. And then they add like cute touches, like you have this where you can hang your keychain or anything. It just makes it easier to identify your book bag. And then this cute little heart on it. On the back, there is this additional strap. And you can use this, for example, if you're bringing this on the airport with you and you're carrying a suitcase, this can tie around the handle of your suitcase, so it makes it nice because it can travel with you easily. Furthermore, on the back, there is yet more storage. No space on this book bag is wasted. It is awesome. So then you have this section as well for storage. And then lastly, I'll go ahead and mention that the book bag straps are adjustable, so you can make it a little bit looser, a little bit tighter, however you like it. And now I'll go ahead and show you about what the size is. I'll try it on for you, just so you can get an idea of sizing. So as I mentioned, the straps are adjustable. I personally feel like how it's set up is comfortable. And here is about what this size looks like. So definitely for like a older teenager or an adult, I'm about 5'4", and I think this is like the perfect height for me. And this book bag has plenty of space, storage. I think overall it's a really great book bag, and it'll definitely be useful, and I'm excited to go ahead and start using it. Thanks, bye.